Ethnicity and Sustainability of Democracy in Nigeria, 2008. The role of Ministry of Education in School Supervision, 2009. Conflict and Crisis Management, a tool for promoting peace and security in society, 2016. Attitude of agro-pastoralists and rural farmers toward peaceful coexistence in conflict agrarian community in Ogun State, 2021. Media and peace, the two sides of a coin, 2021. I also produced the following textbook: Jimoh, Man and His Government. Jimoh, Issues and Problems of Development in Nigeria. Introduction to Socialization, Nigeria and Other Countries. Man and His Citizenship. Introduction to Social Studies, Education, the Concept of the Family, Comparative Pattern of Nation Building, Nigeria and Other Countries. Jimoh Ayinla Jimoh, 2010, Social Problem in Nigeria. Jimoh Ayinla Jimoh, Man and His Economic Ability. Jimoh Ayinla, Attribute of a Good Teacher in Adibayo's, a guide to teaching practice. The Provost, sir. I was also able to single-handed public school textbook, Man's Political Activism in Government, 2013, Man's Economic Activism, 2013. I read Commercial Press. Conclusion: the Provost. The Provost, sir, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it has become evident that both social study and peace education as academic discipline deal with man and his environment and address issues of concern to local, national, and global sphere. They also play important role in promoting human peace in all its ramifications. Though social study and peace education, though are inseparable entities that are interwoven in content, methodological approach, and perceived goal, feel, and thinking social problem. One could not say that peace education is social study in totality or 5%. Rather, social study could be said to begin where the peace education ends. Based on the deliberation, the following recommendations are made. More research on synergy of these two problems solving academic field as a matter of funding are needed to be conducted by academics, and finding of solid research to be disseminated through continuous work, conferences, symposium, workshop, and seminars. This will enlighten and broaden knowledge horizon among academic by field social study as multidimensional, multidisciplinary study which cuts across other fields such as peace education. To further minimize the prevailing inequities of knowledge among academics about the existing and life between social study and peace education in terms of curriculum content, pedagogical, proposal, as well as practical, policy maker and education planner to provide a clear picture how the program will be conducted and how it will be molded by the school in which students are taught. This can be done by setting new educational objectives, preparing new curricula, writing school textbook, developing instructional materials, and training educators. Furthermore, there is limited expertise and capacity for peace education available in most national institutions in some parts of the country. I am here to say that in the whole of this college, I am the only peace scholar. So we want more people that are relevant to peace education will be identified and reflected. Policymakers should not only plan for social study and peace education. It is also pertinent that all authorities in school and educational stakeholders, such as the University Commission, National Commission for Quality of Education, Ministry of Education, University and Institute, counseling and lecturers, as well as the community should understand the concept, objectives, purpose of social study and peace education in order to bring a lasting solution to perceive existing disparity in the alliance of the mother and child academic. Acknowledgement. I acknowledge the Almighty Allah, my Creator, my everything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who deserves the best greeting for making me what I am today. His abundant blessing on my family are too numerous to mention. I say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. To my present parents who may Allah continue His Rahman on them. Allahumma Ibillahu wa May Allah bless my parents as He blessed me when I was young. I am indebted to a number of individuals and group for their contribution to my academic career in particular and my journey in life. All this while I'm also indebted to other members of my extended family, especially the late Alhaji Shola Salami Baba Ibadan, for his special love for me. Particularly in my school days, until on teacher's college, he played very significant role, which I continue to live his life and laughter. May he continue to rest in peace. I appreciate the effort of Afa Hassan Eleha, Afa Suhaib Ogafa, who taught me alphabet in Arabic. I also acknowledge the effort of other spiritual fathers, Afa and Ulama, in Ilorin for the spiritual guidance. May Allah continue to be with the living and the dead. I appreciate Alhaji Sorutu. I appreciate Alhaji Abdullahi Jimoh, who took me to primary school in 1966 when I ran away on the pretext that my hand would not touch my ear. He continuously shouldered me to school, but I developed interest in Western education. May Allah continue to be with me for this great job which I remember every day. To my teachers, the late Alhaji Kabiru Akata of blessed memory, the late Alhaji Ahmed Ayinla, the former Deputy Provost Parents College of Education Ilorin, and later Provost Parents College of Education Oru, the God Monday Allah continues drama of you. My special thanks go to my uncle, the President Ajia Saka Zakawa Ilorin, Alhaji Obagilado. I said thank you, sir. My special thanks also go to former Provost of this best college, Dr. Soyan Kabi and Professor A.Y. Abdulkarim. They all play a positive role in my life. Thank you so much. I appreciate the late Osimoso Abadiba Kabi, the foremost chairman SCPC, for his role in my life. Professor Noah Yusuf, the President Vice Chancellor at Ikima University, and his loving wife, a very good and loving family. I do not know anyone to ask describe the good family, and I enjoy special support from them, particularly on matters affecting my progress and that of my family. May God continue to be with them. I equally show my profound gratitude to my mommy, Professor Felicia Olabisi Alarape Olasen. She is more than my PhD supervisor. She is the mother by excellence. I learned so much from her. May God continue to strengthen her in the head and vision. May Mama live long to enjoy the fruit of our labor. I thank you. Also, my anytime is also my good friend, Engineer Tony Asaro, Commission for facilitating the funding of this inaugural lecture. Special thanks to the Executive Vice Chairman, National Communication Commission, who approved the funding of this inaugural lecture. My great alma mater, Great Ilorin Teachers College of 1977-82, and the entire student of Ilorin Teachers College, now Sheikh Abdulkarim College. They deserve special thanks. They are my pillar of support. All my family is born by your Lisa PNC, the G PNC, and all sport media. I say big thank you for the support toward my aspiration all this while. My thanks also go to Professor Joseph Ayi and Dr. Ravi Situ. My thanks goes to my research assistant, Mr. Nawan Sulajo Abayomi, Mr. Marcia Atole, Mr. Ifolafaru, and Mr. Abanida Victoria for their scholarly support. I'm highly indebted to organize a committee of this inaugural lecture, competently headed by Deputy Provost Academic, Dr. Mrs. Bosset Zebo, for a job well done. Mama, I'm not sacking you again today. I equally appreciate all the staff, academic and non-academic of Balance College of Education, and all my students right from the time I started my teaching career today. I say thank you. I say a big thank you to the college community for giving me the opportunity to serve in different academic and administrative capacity. I sincerely say thank you all. In addition, I thank all my senior colleagues, my colleagues, and Club 13. I for a long time remember you in my prayer. I acknowledge the effort and support of Jato, Ara of the Ikwara, Eluna family. Also, I appreciate the effort of Agaka Development Forum Ìlọrin Emirates Youth Development Association Aida, Ìlọrin Emirates Center for Progressive Freedom, and all the people of goodwill who have associated with me. I'm indeed grateful to my immediate family members, most especially my daddy wife, Aisha Adola Omawumi. I enjoyed her tolerance for my excesses. In the beginning, it was not very easy for her to go along with me, but she eventually cool with my lifestyle. I sincerely thank her and pray for her sound health and long life to enjoy me the more. I appreciate the effort of my in-laws in sustaining the lovely time of our holy matrimony for over 36 years, particularly late Malam Jamiu Owolabi, Alhaji Imam Baba Jamajebi, Alhaji and Alhaji Asalusi, among others. May Allah bless the late and the baby. All my children, Engineer Ahmed Ayinla Jimoh, MNSE, former General Secretary, Nigerian Society of Engineers and Electrical, Haji Ahmed Fatima Bisola, former Honorable Commissioner for Education and Women Capital, Development Policy, Ahmed Mariam Olamide and Ahmed Ayinla Jimoh, they made sacrifices, but equally get along with their own educational pursuit. I'm proud of you all. To my grandchildren too, Mohammed Jamiu, Ahmed Baba, Ahmed, Ikman Abdazak, Aliman Abdazak, and Yusuf Ali Amin. I will appreciate them all. May you all live in fulfilled life, inshallah. I appreciate other family members, friends, and well-wishers. Thank you and God bless.
Can we rise for the champions? Thank you very much. Please let's be seated. Before, that's a job well done. It is an academic strike, which I am very, very sure everybody in academics will aspire to get to. Once again, congratulations, Dr. Jimoh Ahmed Ayinla. Want to call on members of women in colleges of education. Women in colleges of education, they have a token for the guest lecturer. Before the lecturer takes that gift or award, I think you should give stewardship of his academic excellence to the chairman. So the next lecturer, please present your you have to present a copy to the chairman, who is the acting provost on this occasion. Thank you very much.